Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the crucial first step in any research journey, the formulation of a research problem. So, grab your thinking caps, because we're about to dive into the fascinating process of problem identification. Step 1. Identification of a broad area of interest. This initial stage involves exploring various fields and topics that capture your curiosity. It's an opportunity to brainstorm and delve into different areas that ignite your passion for exploration and discovery. Once you've identified a broad area, it's time to divide it into sub-areas. Step 2 involves breaking down the broad topic into smaller, more manageable sections. This helps to narrow your focus and gives you a clearer direction for your research. Next, Step 3, focusing on and selecting an area of interest. This stage requires careful consideration of your personal interests, expertise, and the potential impact of the research. It's important to choose an area that aligns with your passions and allows you to make a meaningful contribution. Now that you've selected your area of interest, it's time for Step 4, identifying the gaps and raising research questions. This stage involves a comprehensive review of existing literature and research to identify areas that have not been adequately explored. By pinpointing these gaps, you can formulate research questions that contribute to the existing knowledge. Step 5, formulation of broad objectives. At this stage, you outline the overarching goals and aims of your research. These broad objectives provide a roadmap for your study, guiding your efforts and shaping the overall direction of your investigation. But wait, before you proceed, Step 6, assessing and reviewing objectives. It's crucial to critically evaluate your objectives to ensure they are feasible, relevant, and aligned with your research problem. This step helps to refine your objectives and ensures they are realistic and achievable. Now, let's shift our focus to the considerations involved in selecting a research problem. These factors play a pivotal role in shaping your research journey. Firstly, interest. It's important to choose a research problem that genuinely captivates your interest. Passion and curiosity are the driving forces that will keep you motivated throughout the research process. Next, manageable magnitude. Consider the scope and scale of your research problem. It's essential to select a problem that is neither too broad nor too narrow, ensuring it can be realistically addressed within the available resources and time frame. Concept measurement is another critical consideration. You must carefully define and operationalize the concepts you will be studying. Clear definitions and appropriate measurement techniques are essential for obtaining valid and reliable results. Level of expertise is an important factor to consider. Assess your own knowledge and skills in the chosen research area. Selecting a problem within your level of expertise will enable you to conduct a thorough and meaningful investigation. Relevance is key. Your research problem should have practical and theoretical implications. Consider its relevance to the field of study, its potential impact on society, and its contribution to existing knowledge. Availability of data is another crucial factor. Ensure that the necessary data, whether primary or secondary, is accessible and obtainable. Adequate data availability is vital for conducting a comprehensive and robust study. Lastly, ethical issues. Research should always be conducted with integrity and respect for ethical guidelines. Consider the potential ethical implications of your research problem, ensuring that participant rights and confidentiality are protected. And there you have it, the process of formulating a research problem and the important considerations in selecting one. Remember, a well-defined research problem sets the foundation for a successful and impactful study. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future research-related content. As always, thank you for watching, and happy researching.